can an entire community sue for defamation? Imagine hearing someone say something false about your whole neighborhood or town. Can everyone in that community come together and take legal action? That's what we're exploring today. Generally, a whole community or large group cannot sue for defamation. Laws usually requiring that the false statement specifically targets a person or a very small group of people. When a statement is about a big community or an entire town, courts often say no one can sue because it's too vague or broad. If a defamatory statement is about a small group, say about 25 people or fewer, they might have a chance to sue if the statement clearly points to them. But for larger groups or entire communities, the law usually says no. This is because the statement isn't seen as harming any specific individual's reputation in a way that's legally actionable. When it comes to community groups or associations, things get a little different. They might try to sue for defamation, but courts sometimes treat their leaders or board members as public figures. That means they have to prove the person who made the statement did so with actual malice. That's a legal term meaning they knew it was false or didn't care if it was true. So, if someone makes a false statement about a whole community, the community itself usually can't sue. But if an individual person or small subgroup feels their reputation was harmed, they might have a valid claim. The key points are how big the group is and whether the statement clearly refers to specific people. It's also important to remember that freedom of speech and expression protect many kinds of statements, especially about public issues. Courts balance protecting reputation with protecting free speech. So, making false statements about a community as a whole rarely leads to a successful lawsuit. If you think someone has defamed you or your community, talking to a legal expert can help you understand your options. They can tell you whether your situation meets the criteria for a defamation claim and what proof you'll need. In summary, large communities usually cannot sue for defamation as a group. Small groups might, if the statement clearly targets them. Individual members can sue if the statement refers directly to them. Community groups face higher hurdles because of free speech protections. Knowing these rules helps you understand when defamation claims are possible and how your rights are protected.